Hi, welcome to Pulpy Tamarind Channel. Today we will see how to make green spinach masiyal. For this we require spinach leaves 1 bunch, 1 green chilli, 3 tablespoons of grated coconut, salt, garlic pods 3 numbers. Take a kadai, keep it on medium heat, and once it's hot add the cleaned spinach leaves and 1 green chilli and 2 to 3 garlic pods and quarter glass of water so that it boils and steams and gets cooked. Now this green spinach leaves need to be washed very well in salt water and then again in fresh water and then drained, and once all the water is drained you can add it here in the kadai, and now we need to saute it till they are done. So now you can see that the leaves have softened and become tender, so they are totally cooked now. So it will take around 10 minutes to 12 minutes to cook this. So you need to keep stirring it and cooking it, and it has to be cooked, and you should not cover whenever you cook the greens because then they lose the green color, and you can add half a teaspoon of sugar to retain the green color. So now you have to wait till it cools down and then blend it in a blender, and you have to add the grated coconut to the same and salt and blend it into a fine paste. So add 3 tablespoons of grated coconut to the same and 1 teaspoon of salt because the greens actually don't take a lot of salt. So add less salt and blend it to a fine paste. No need to add water because already it is quite soggy. So the green spinach masiyal is ready. This is to be served with rice, cooked rice. So we mix it with cooked rice and eat it. Healthy green spinach masiyal or mash is ready. It's quite tasty because of sweetness of coconut and spiciness of green chilli. Thank you for watching Pulpy Tamarind Channel. So please subscribe, share, like, comment and press bell icon for notifications.